So right here in front of me is the Lava Agni 5G smartphone, quite in an impressive and premium packaging. As you can see, the Agni is written boldly on this black base. Now this is India's first 5G smartphone, as it is written proudly Indian. At the back you can get this design of the phone is displayed very nicely with the features highlighted and the manufacturing details. So let's unbox it soon. The smartphone has got this magnetic flap, so it opens like a book. I'm really impressed with this. So when you unbox it, the phone, first thing you get is the phone itself in fiery blue color, and has a quad camera setup. Keeping it aside, let's talk about the other box contents. Moving ahead, you get this smartphone case, and some paperwork are also there, along with the SIM ejector pin. So this is the silicone case. Let me show it to you properly. It is this transparent silicone case. You have the SIM ejector pin as well. And apart from that, you get the charging adapter and the USB charging cable. So let's keep the box contents aside and talk about the phone itself. Now this is the smartphone. It comes in fiery blue color and is available only in one variant of 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Well, the display is quite bright. It has got a 6.7-inch full HD display and supports 90 Hz of refresh rate. Talking about the weight of the phone, it is 196 grams and has got this side fingerprint scanner is given, which is a side mounted. So this, you also get these physical volume buttons on the side. Talking about the camera, as you can see, it houses a quad camera setup with a 64 megapixel primary camera, a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor camera. On front, you get a 16 megapixel camera for all your selfies. Talking about the processor, it houses a MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor, which makes the phone quite fast, and is also supported by 5G bands. Now that's again the highlight of the smartphone. Below you can see you get the charging port, speaker grill, and the audio jack is also given here. Moving ahead, the phone runs on Android 11 and has got a clean software. Talking about the battery backup, it has a 5000 mAh battery, and it also comes with a C-type charging cable along with a 30-watt fast charger. So that's all about the Lava Agni 5G smartphone.
Hello friends, in this video I'll show you the gaming performance of Lava Agni 5G. So let's start with the graphics settings. Let's tap here. Now go in the audio and graphics. Here you can see in the graphic quality we have low and medium options, and in frame rates low, medium and high options. We will play on low graphics and high frame rate, so you will get 30 FPS from this phone. Now let's start the game. Let me tell you, this phone has 8 GB RAM and MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor, which works on 6nm fabrication. Coming to the gaming experience, you get good performance from the phone, and 6.78-inch IPS LCD display has good touch response. During the long gaming sessions, you get a decent frame rate and good graphics details. The 5000 mAh battery will also help you for your long gaming sessions. So all in all, the gaming performance of Lava Agni 5G is up to the mark, and you will enjoy your gaming on this device. Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Lava Agni 5G. On the front, you can see the phone's name, and at the back, specifications of the phone. So let's open the box. First, we have Lava Agni 5G. The phone has a punch hole display. At the back, we have a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. Also, you can see Lava branding at the bottom. The phone looks good in this color. Next, you can see this lid with a SIM ejector tool inside it. Here is a silicone back cover that will protect your phone from any harm. Now we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data, and a 2-pin wall charger with 30 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Lava Agni 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hey guys, today I have with me Lava Agni 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.78-inch IPS LCD display having a pixel density of 396 ppi with a screen refresh rate of 90 Hz. Lava Agni 5G has a bezel-less punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V3 protection. On the right spine, you'll find the power button works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray and volume rocker. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack, and speaker grills. Lava Agni 5G comes with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup at the back. Also, you'll see the Lava branding at the bottom left. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. The Lava Agni 5G comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM, and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB, which can be further expanded up to 256GB. Lava Agni 5G offers a 5000 mAh battery with 30 watt of fast charging. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 64 megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 64 megapixel primary camera supported by a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 16 megapixel front camera. The software version of Lava Agni 5G is Android 11. So guys, that's it for Lava Agni 5G. Thank you so much.